Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up to Line, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So Line is for free messaging, voice and video calls, and if you do not have an account yet you can sign up if you click on the sign up option. After that, if you want, you can let the app to fill in your phone number for you if it has permission to access your phone. Okay, not now. And you have to give your phone number, and you have to agree that you are at least 16 years old, and you agree to the line's privacy policies. After I typed my phone number, then you will also get, after typing in your phone number, a verification code, and you have to type that verification in. And then do you already have an account? This looks like a new phone number. If you already have a Line account tied to different phone number, you can transfer it to this device using its original phone number or email address. Transfer an existing account now. So if you have, then click on the yes, transfer my account. If no, no, create a new account. Okay, so create a new account. Other people online can see your display name and profile media, so you can upload a photo from your device, or you can take a photo as well, and you have to type in your name. Okay, I'm just ask us channel. Okay, you have to create a password. Use at least one letter, one number, and four other characters. All right. Start adding friends. Line can access your phone number and contacts to help you find Line friends. Tap either setting for more details, so you can select the auto add friends and allow others to add me option. Syncing account data. Alright, so add friends as contacts. To send Line messages with Google Assistant, you first need to add your Line friends as contact to your device. Their display names and profile icons will appear as new contacts. Add them now. So you can click on the add to contacts or cancel. So this is how you can sign in to